Here we go.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Ready to go. Hi, welcome to Angel's Anything Show. And today, me and Dan, you don't do anything, are going to get a tree for Christmas. But we're not just gonna go get a tree, we're going to cut a tree. Although I grew up in North Adams, always getting a real tree, I've never cut one down myself. I've never selected it from the forest and chopped it. Is that what this is gonna be, or is this just a Christmas tree farm?
Yeah, it's like a farm.
Oh. Okay, this glove smells like actual vagina. Not mine, but like a musty old one that's been kept in a box all season. It stinks. Now my hand smells like vagina. If you're thinking, Angela, your eyes look puffy, it's because they are. Because I'm 33 and I woke up and I smoked weed and I didn't drink any water. So that's what happens. Okay, so we're heading there now, but of course we had to make it a little interesting. And Dan, being the crazy man that he is, we are driving there in a blizzard. So we're in a Subaru commercial right now. Also, shout out to my friend Eldav, who got me these gloves years ago, back when you could do concerts. Okay, I gotta go, we're about to crash. Look at this library, guys. Should we go here and vlog at some point? I think that would be a cool vlog. Let me know in the comments, and we'll do it. Now, they say that there's also hot chocolate at this place, right? Is this the place with the hot chocolate?
Yeah, I think so.
And other things, like, I want other scrumptious things. Ooh, American Fences. That's what we should call. American Fences. I'm hungry. Dan, are you taking me to your cabin in the woods to murder me?
I'm gonna rape you first.
Ooh, delightful.
The old baby one.
You want to get one of these little guys?
Yeah, let's do it.
Here we go.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Ready to go. Let's do it.
Here you go.
Take a saw and a sled.
Okay.
Every tree is $50.
Perfect.
And you just have a good time. And be careful of the stumps and enjoy it. We usually have cocoa and cookies, but because of COVID, we can't do that.
Yeah,
this
that
year.
makes sense, yeah.
So
Next year.
Next
we'll
year.
have
We'll be
it
back.
for you.
Yeah, perfect.
No fucking cocoa and cookies, dude.
And then we're also gonna have a tree stand.
All right, let's get it.
Raises it. Well, let's look around.
Freezing. I like something a little fuller, like this.
See, that's the thing. I think with the fir, they're less full. With the spruce, they're more full. But I really want the smell. Why don't you just hit the stuff?
I want the smell too. What about that one or this one?
See, a lot of the spruces are left too, so maybe we'll go over there.
Ooh, that's nice. What about this one?
I like that one.
All right, here we go, guys. I'm left-handed, so it's cold. My seat is wet. My legs are wet. Everything's wet. Hey. And now for our last and most important stop.
Oh, they're only doing lunch.
Well, then I would rather die.
What can I get for you?
Small Coke, and that's it.
Small Coke and that's it. Alright, that'll be
It swung back. It swung back closed.
Are you ready?
All right, well, we have this here drying. The basement floor is very wet, so we'll see. So that's it, guys. That's the tree getting processed. We went and cut down our very own tree in a blizzard. So if you want to see us decorate this tree and see how it comes out, you will have to stay tuned for the next vlog where we decorate the house for Christmas. That's right, folks. I'm leaving you on a teaser. Anyway, thanks for watching this episode of Angel's Anything Show. See you next time. Goodbye. What if we get lost in the woods and I have to eat you to survive?
Just start with my asshole.
I was just about to say, the asshole. I was just gonna say I'm gonna start with the butt like they did in Alive. Starring Ethan Hawke.